Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to earn coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and access your account at the bottom right, and now find section coins that look basically like coin icon. And this is coins page. So AliExpress rewards you with coins for visiting this coins page every single day. So you have to check into this page on a daily basis. And the number of coins that you can receive will increase every single day that you check in for this page. So today I have already checked in and I got my 20 points. Tomorrow I will get 30 coins. And as you can see, every single day the number of coins will even increase. So when you've checked in and collected your daily coins, you should look for an option like earn more coins, which you can see right here. So press this button and this will lead you to like mission board with a list of simple tasks that you can complete in order to earn some bonus points. So you can see here is daily check-in, explore sponsored items, search for deals you like, and some other tasks. So complete them and you will get your extra points. Then there are little mini games right here. There are 3 of them, which can give you as well extra points if you keep up with them. Also, if you like shopping, coins will pop up as a reward after completing some purchases. So it's like getting a cashback, but in the form of coins. And do not forget to use your coins before they will expire. Usually coins expire 6 months after collection. And finally, when you want to use your coins, you should look for items that say extra % off with coins. So for example, let me open this one, and here you can see this little gray line, extra 2% off with coins. So that means that these items support these coins discounts. And basically your coins can be used at the checkout page. When you place your order, they will be automatically deducted. So that's basically it, how you can earn coins on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.